Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this miniature bedroom for dolls. And if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Start by cutting out a piece of black foam board according to the size of your doll and use wooden craft sticks to make a headboard. I found this foam material in a hardware store and I'm using it to make a mattress, cover it in white fabric, place it on top of the bed frame and use a placemat as a carpet. This chair and plant are from a previous video. You can find the link in the info box in case you want to watch it. And now use matchboxes, foam board and a pin needle to make a bedside table. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. In case you want to know how I made the rest of the dollhouse, click the link in the info box and feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!